Unit 2, Progressive Assessment. Number 1. Which graphic organizer correctly groups the following numbers? 3.4, -2, 3, and -1.2. A. Whole numbers 3, integers -2, rational numbers 3.4, and -1.2. B. Whole numbers 3, integers -2 and -1.2, rational numbers 3.4. C. Whole numbers -2 and 3, integers -1.2, rational numbers 3.4. D. Whole numbers 3, integers -2, 3.4, and -1.2. Number 2. The table shows the amount of time 4 students practice the trumpet one day. Cole, 1 2/3, Gus, 1 1/2, Ryan, 1 1/4, Jacob, 1 7/12. Which list shows the names of the students in order from least amount of practice time to greatest amount of practice time? F. Ryan, Jacob, Cole, Gus. G. Cole, Jacob, Gus, Ryan. H. Ryan, Gus, Jacob, Cole. Or J. Gus, Ryan, Cole, Jacob. Number 3. Alyssa will correctly label the numbers 48.4, 48 1/2, 48.09, and 48 3/5 on the number line below. Which number will be located closest to 49? A. 48.4, B. 48 1/2, C. 48.09, or D. 48 3/5. Number 4. A delivery driver earned a 23% tip. What decimal is equivalent to 23%? Record your answer. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 5. Students in Ms. Guerrero's class must complete at least 40 math problems of homework every week. The table shows the progress of 4 students on Wednesday. Katie, 0.4, D'Angelo, 45 out of 40, Grace, 100%, Jonah, 2/3. Which list shows the amount of homework completed in order from greatest to least? A. 0.4, 2/3, 45 out of 40, 100%. B. 45 out of 40, 100%, 2/3, 0.4. C. 0.4, 2/3, 100%, 45 out of 40. D. 2/3, 0.4, 45 out of 40, 100%. Number 6. A store manager analyzes the changes in sales of various products from last month to this month. The percent increases and decreases in sales are shown in the table. Watches, -0.3, ties, 3, shoes, 2.9, shirts, -0.9, pants, -1.01. These values will be ordered from greatest to least. Which of the products matches this order? F. Pants, shirts, watches, shoes, ties. G. Ties, shoes, watches, shirts, pants. H. Watches, shirts, pants, shoes, ties. Or J. Ties, shoes, pants, shirts, watches. Number 7. The price of a calculator was discounted 45%. Which fraction is equal to 45%? A. 4/5, B. 9/20, C. 450/10, or D. 9/200. Number 8. Matt has answered 20 out of 25 of the questions on the test. What percentage of the test questions has Matt answered? F. 20%, G. 45%, H. 95%, J. 80%. Number 9. Yesterday, 1/8 of the books sold at the bookstore were science fiction books. Which decimal is equivalent to the fraction of books sold? A, 1.8, B, 0.105, C, 0.125, or D, 0.18. Number 10. Which of the following diagrams does not correctly show the placement of numbers to demonstrate their classification? F, whole numbers 0, integers -99, rational numbers 10.2. G, whole numbers 1001, integers -7, rational numbers 0.075. H, whole numbers -2, integers -4, rational numbers 16.2. J, whole numbers 66, integers 0.100, or rational numbers, -5.8.